This is the sewing machine pocket. I have ready all the parts so you can see. I'm gonna to also do the row applique, which I can show you as well how to do it. Now I am doing the overlock stitch to secure my edges. This is optional, you don't have to do it. So now I'm showing you how to do the row applique. I'm tracing the shape of the heart, which I've got the template on the material, because I want to show you how that will looks like on the pocket. And as you see, that's how it looks like. Obviously, when I do the row applique, I will trace on the paper side of the bunda web, and then I will iron it, then I will cut, and then I will place it. But I'm just showing you my little pockets, how they will look like, so you can have the idea what actually I am doing. So my little butterflies, my hearts, and the pocket is smaller to keep the small scissors. So I do measure my pockets before I actually sew them together, and if I need to make any adjustment, I will do. So as you see, this is what I will be using it. So my cutter, or no, maybe I swap them around. So just have a look, see what is the best, make sure everything fits together. So this is my little pockets for my pencils, my pens. I have 2 of them just to make sure that I can put everything together in the right order, which I be happy with. This is the back, which I already secured the edges with my overlock stitch. So I usually fold this half and then I will measure it because it's easier when the things are smaller. And as you see, they've got it's about 13 inches, so altogether 26, and that's my batting. I will cut it to the shape and the size, and as you see, wide is about 6 inches, and that's enough for me. If you've got bigger scissors, then obviously you have to make it bigger. Just see what is the best for you. This is my little pocket. It's much smaller, as I was showing you before. And I always measure the pocket size slightly bigger, so as I'm showing you, I can fold it up and everything fits together. And this is my batting. I measure it about 7 inches, slightly bigger than what I've got already. My pockets are 6 inches. I usually make myself the allowance of 1 inch just to make sure I don't have to then put another part of batting or sew it together or try to fix it. It's easier to cut than to add it. And as you see, this is my back, my batting already cut, and this is my pockets, and I will sew this all together. I will be showing you that in a minute. Make sure everything fit together, and this is my edge, which I will sew with the 1/4" seam allowance, and I fold it and sew it back. I show you this all. You will see it very clearly how I'm doing it. This is beginner tutorial, so everything is easy and simple. As you see, I use my little clips to hold it together. You can use pin, whatever you've got, just to hold it. And I'm going around to secure the 3 layers of the material, or 2 layers of material and batting in the middle. So make sure it's nice and tidy and all the corners are together. Now I am doing the binding strip, so you put the 2 edges together. The width is 2.5 inches, so I will sew it together with 1/4 seam allowance. Make sure it's nice and even, the edges are together. The other side, so basically you just sew in the seam allowance. Make sure that you catch both sides. As you see, I'm still using my 1/4 seam allowance foot, and that's how it's looking like, ready to be put together with the back of the sewing mat, as you see, and I will be showing you that shortly.